I want to do a quick review on the Kensie carry-on luggage. This one was a 20-inch, and it comes in a rose gold color. Has a long handle on it, so easy to pull in the airport. It comes with on the bottom, you have 4 bumper guards on it, so you don't scuff it up inside the airport. So you can get banged around without messing your luggage up. The wheels on it, they swivel 360 degrees, make it easy to roll, and they're really sturdy. It rolls really good. This suitcase is really light, so it's easy for men or women. It has a TSA locking system on it, easy to use. It also comes with an extra expandable zipper to give yourself a little bit more room, probably another inch or two of storage space. The inside of it is really nice. It's got a little strap here to help hold your clothes down so you don't get stuff mixed all up. It's got an extra little zipper. You can keep toiletries in it or whatever you want to put in it. We've had it for 6 months. It works really good or so. This luggage here, you could easily use it for 3 or 4 day trip. We used it back in the summer on a cruise for my wife. This was her luggage she used, and you could tell it's in good shape. It still looks new, and she's used it on 2 or 3 trips. And I highly recommend this luggage.